Did you see that sign on this blackjack table? No mid-deck entry. I don't think I've seen that before. I had a girlfriend tell me that once, but I didn't know what it meant. I have to find out about that. $2. People in here tonight. How about that? Okay, shoot to win. Let's see what the minimum is. $2. Nice. $2 is very manageable. I like that. You won't see very many shoot to win craps downtown. They just don't have the space. You have to have a big casino like the Plaza, or they've got a pretty good of a space in here. They're just not trying to cram in a lot of slot machines here. That's why they can afford to take up that space. Ooh, I have one of those outside drinks with me, but it identifies as an inside drink once I cross over that threshold. So don't come at me. Or I was supposed to say, don't at me. Suddenly we got to cut one word out. And these are all $2. Roulette, blackjack, craps, easy craps, which is crapless craps. I wouldn't advise crapless craps. It's a trick. It's a trick. $10 craps during peak hours. That's pretty good, really. Real craps, which is right here. And I'm assuming they're saying that's a $10 table. I'm gonna check it out. Yes. Yes, that's a $10 table. Okay, that one guy had $250 on his hand at a $5 blackjack table. That's what casinos, I know they know more than I do, but they need to know that when we look for $5 tables, that doesn't mean we're going to play $5. Give us some drinks and all of a sudden we got the wallet empty. You know, if you don't like this casino, I wouldn't rule out the hotel. I actually like the casino and I like the hotel. But the hotel, you should consider it. Check the price, because you're so close to Fremont Street. I mean, you're right on it, really, without being on it. And it gives you a little bit of breathing room. It's easier to get in here by vehicle. There's a lot of pluses to stay in here. You just have to walk across one street and you're right there at Fremont Casino. And then a dancing gorilla will be 100 feet away.
Soul cats, man, it's blowing in the wind.
See how everything's like calmed down out here? And just 100 feet away from the other door, total chaos. Yeah, that's why I suggest you check this, always check the rates for the downtown Grand. Why is that car parked like that? Huh. Somebody that's probably getting Panda Express. If you get that joke, let me know. If you hate that joke, let me know. If you're part of that joke, let me know. I'm on a need-to-know basis. All right, that's it for the Grand. It's a two-way blindfold he has. Oldest trick in the book. I don't know what book. Steak taco $3. Wow. Chicken taco $2. Okay, you had to see that.
Everybody, give me some energy! Yeah. Who needs more energy? Make some noise! Oh, shit, let's keep it.
Boy, lift it up, let's make a toast stop. Let's